Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of foods that can help you shed those extra pounds naturally. No crash diets, no magic pills, just wholesome, nutritious foods that can support your weight loss journey. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about leafy greens. Foods like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are incredibly nutrient-dense, but low in calories. They're high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer, and packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's a simple salad with baby spinach, cherry tomatoes, and a light lemon vinaigrette. It's refreshing and perfect for lunch or dinner. Next, we have avocados. They are rich in healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels. They also contain fiber and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Try spreading some mashed avocado on whole grain toast, topped with a sprinkle of sea salt and red pepper flakes. It's a great snack or breakfast option that keeps you satisfied. Nuts, especially almonds, are another great option. They are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. A small handful can curb your hunger and provide a boost of energy. Pair them with Greek yogurt and some fresh berries for a delicious and filling snack. Whole grains like quinoa are excellent for weight loss. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber and can keep you full for hours. Here's a simple dish: cooked quinoa mixed with roasted vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil. It's a perfect, balanced meal. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are low in calories and high in fiber. They're also packed with antioxidants, which are great for your overall health. Add them to your morning smoothie, like this one with blueberries, a banana, some spinach, and almond milk. It's a delicious way to start your day. And don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking plenty of water, especially before meals, can help control your appetite. Sometimes, our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Incorporating these foods into your daily routine can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. Remember, it's all about balance and making healthier choices consistently. Thanks for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time with more tips and recipes. Bye for now.